Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to get bot lobbies in Fortnite Chapter 5, Season 4. Let's jump right in. First, launch Fortnite and head over to the Add Friends section. In the search bar, type K68 bot lobbies and send a friend request. If that account doesn't accept your request, simply change the number, for example, 69 bot lobbies or another number, and try again. Once the bot account accepts your request, invite it to your party. After it joins, choose the game mode you want to play. For this example, I'll select X. When everything is ready, click Ready and wait for the match to start. If everything is set up correctly, you'll be placed into a bot lobby, and that's it. That's how you can get bot lobbies in Fortnite Chapter 5 Season 4. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Fortnite tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.